Hi guys, and welcome for a new video. I hope you're feeling great. I'm feeling good too. Yeah, we have a little bit of rain since 4 days. That's why I've painted the reef one and the beach kintsugi one that you saw on my last video. And yeah, I wanted to have some sun in my life, some sea. Yeah, so today that's not the point of this video. I've made a new tutorial on my Patreon page on this little kintsugi artwork. It is from my agate collection, but this one is the easiest tutorial. Like, I've painted this one in like 30 minutes. And yeah, it is on paper. Let me show you. So I will upload the full tutorial in real-time painting now on my Patreon page. If you want to check it out, it will be linked down in the description. And yeah, this one is on paper, and I can glue this one on a wood surface, just frame it, or yeah, glue this on a canvas. So let's start the video, and I hope you will enjoy it. I've prepped my paper. It is like a Canva paper you can buy on many craft stores. It handles the paint and oil paint, acrylic paint, any paint you want. So I've put a tape on it just so I have beautiful and clean edges and it won't move when I paint. So basically here I'm starting with three different colors on my palette. I will use the white, the Payne's gray mixed with a tiny bit of green just to get a greenish blue. Then I will put a little bit of black and some raw sienna and burnt umber. As you see here, I like to use a glass palette just so I can mix my color easily. And yeah, I let my paint dry on it, then I scrape it and I have a new palette every time. And yeah, that's better. I don't have any waste of palette. So I'm basically starting by using the white as a main color and then adding slowly some different parts to create the kintsugi look of a stone. I like to play with the burnt umber and raw sienna just to give a warmer tone to the painting, and it goes really well with the blue. As you see here, I try to go with my first coat with all of the colors so I don't have to put many coats of paint. In this painting I try to get it simple and I try to have this paint look with some brush strokes. Usually I tend to really blend my colors so I don't have any brush strokes and it looks like a picture. But yeah, nowadays I like to have some structures and some natural look to the painting. Here I try to mimic the stone with my brush with a different type of blue. It is not really a blue, it is more like a gray, blue and gray. It is the color Payne's gray, so it's a gray but with a little bit of blue in it. You see here that I've defined different areas, so I have different type of stone, and then I will go with my gold just to create the kintsugi look, and it will separate the different areas that I've painted, and it will hide some of the mistakes or really large brush strokes or missing paint on my paper. I've used here my heat gun just so my first coat is dry quicker. So now that is fully dry, I will do a second coat just to add different highlights and small details. Usually I use some Posca pen in small tips, but since I have lots of white on my palette, I will use directly my brush to paint all of those little detail. I will also add some little cracks with the brown, the dark brown. And yeah, you see here the white gives so much more depth and transparency to each part of stone. And also I can hide some of the messy spots on different parts that I've made. At this point of the painting, I've decided to add a little bit of blue glaze just because I thought it was a little bit too gray, and yeah, there was not as much blue as I wanted. So yeah, I've decided to add a little bit of detail and add a little bit of blue onto my painting, and I think it really works with those colors. So now I finished painting. I will now use a little pen just to draw where my kintsugi lines are going to be, and it will help to apply my 3D lines, and then I will put my gold on it. I will not show you this part on this video. If you want to see it, you really need to subscribe to my Patreon page, and you will learn how I do my kintsugi lines and how to apply the gold leaves, and yeah, everything you want to know. So here I've already applied the gold leaf glue, and then I apply my leaves, and that's it. So after I varnish my piece, I will now remove all of the tape on the sides. And voila, my painting is done. Here you can see all of the little details and the glossiness of the varnish. I really like how it turned out, and I really like the fact that it is on paper. So let me know in the comments what your thought on this painting, what you've liked. I wish you all a nice day. Thank you for watching my video and supporting my art, and see you. Bye guys.